I have a stack of old notebooks that I'm not really using. Some have damaged covers, others I find that are too big or uncomfortable to use, and I have some old dated planners that I only used for a few months. Today I want to give new life to these old notebooks and covers so that they don't go to waste. I have 3 notebooks from Minimalism Art. The covers are still good, but I never use them anymore. I prefer soft covers and a smaller size. Since they were not expensive, I don't feel bad about repurposing them. All of them are half used, so they still have many blank pages. I still want to save the pages that I did use, since they hold memories and photos. So I'm going to carefully cut the threads so that I don't damage the pages or the cover. For the blank pages, I decided to cut them using my craft knife. Since the cover is not damaged, I will save it in case I want to do something with it in the future. I will do the same for all 3 notebooks. Now I will take the used pages and using this tool I will make holes in them to create a new disc-bound notebook. I have many discs that I can use, so I will choose the ones that go according to the amount of pages I have. Now it just needs a cover. I had saved some nice folders that I can use for this. I will cut 2 pieces, a tiny bit bigger than the page. After I round the corners, the covers are ready, and now I have a new disc-bound notebook that I can add memories to. Here I have the blank pages that I removed from all 3 notebooks. My plan is to make 3 smaller notebooks with them. For the first one, I will cut all the pages to 3.75 inches by 7.5 inches. Now I use some clips to hold all the pages together so that I can apply glue to the spine using a small brush. I will let it dry and then apply another coat of glue later on. In the meantime, let's see what to do with this old planner. I used it only for a few months. Since it is undated, I can keep using it at any date. But the cover is very damaged, so I will also rip the pages from it and do something else with them. The pages I used for this planner only have old tasks, and I didn't find anything important in them, so I will discard them. As for the rest of the pages, I will use my hole punch again so that I can create a new disc-bound planner. I didn't have enough discs of the same color in this size, so I combined the black ones with rose gold. I cut 2 pieces of a folder and rounded the corners, and now I have a new planner for the year. With this stack of square grid pages, I will create another small notebook. This time the size will be 4 inches wide and 5.5 inches tall. I apply the glue, let it dry, and then add another coat. As you can see, the first one is already dried and the pages are sticking very well together. Here I have a skinny happy planner. I really love this size and I used it a lot for tasks and random notes. But now I want to remove the old pages and use the cover and dividers for the new year. I can also use the notes pages and the monthly layouts that I didn't use. Later on, I will design and print new pages for this planner. This one is from Muji, and it has monthly calendars only. I used it for planning my Patreon content. Since it is undated, I can still use it for any year. I only used a few pages to journal in this small notebook, but I will rip them out so that I can use it for something else. The used pages will be added to my Memories disc-bound notebook. This is another small happy planner that I really enjoyed using. I can use stickers with numbers to change the dates and use the same pages for the new year. I will take one of the stacks of blank pages that I removed from a notebook and I will create new pages for this planner. I bought this one at Walmart a few years ago. I used it for some projects and never touched it again. The cover really is falling apart. So I will rip out all the pages, discard the used ones, and create a new cover for the rest. This is another minimalism art notebook that the cover is falling apart. I probably don't take good care of them. I will remove the blank pages and create a new soft cover for them. Now I have these 4 new notebooks that need covers. First, I will use washi tape to cover the spine. Then I will use this paper for the cover. I want it to be simple so that I can maybe decorate it later with stickers. I cut it to the size of the notebook and round the corners. I attach it with the same glue I used for the pages and then add another strip of washi tape. I will do the same for the other notebooks, except in this one I use a patterned scrapbook paper, and in the last ones I add more washi tape on the sides. So now I have these cute new empty notebooks that I can use for the new year. I also have my Memories disc-bound notebook and a new blank disc-bound planner as well. From this, I learned some things. For example, I don't like notebooks with hard covers and I prefer the smaller sizes. So I will keep that in mind whenever I decide to buy a new notebook. I really liked working on this project. I took some things that weren't being used and I gave them new purpose. I still have other old notebooks and planners that I can renew, but that might be for another video. If you like these ideas, please leave a comment, like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more. Thank you for watching.